I work approximately now 26 years for ISS. I'm responsible for the World Trade Center in Rotterdam. ISS is cleaning the World Trade Center for more than 10 years now. There are challenges in the World Trade Center. Oh yes, they are. Especially now because the World Trade Center is renewing itself. They're bringing the World Trade Center in the next age. So that's why I talked with the account manager of Diversey. We want to go to the next step in the future. What we've got. We started using the TASKI SWINGOBOT2000 in the World Trade Center about 3 months ago. It was pretty easy starting working with the SWINGOBOT2000 because we had a backup from Diversey. They brought a programmer to us and then it could be operational. You only stand behind it, you put the button on and the SWINGOBOT2000 does the work for you. If you want to step into the future, this is the next step in cleaning. It always gives you the right quality. It never changes. It always has the same high level. And it's 24/7 working. He never complains, he's always doing a thing. Yeah, normally there was something behind the machine. I told the people already, my team, nobody's gonna get out. They were skeptical, but now they're used to it and they like it. They're also part of the future. And if we have a problem with the SWINGOBOT2000, within 24 hours they are here to help us out. The feedback of the management of the World Trade Center was, hey, there's also a kind of step into the future, like we are doing also with the World Trade Center. So they liked it. Would I recommend the TASKI SWINGOBOT2000 to other organizations? No, because I want to keep it by myself. No, I'm kidding to you. Yes, I will recommend it to everyone. You've got Apple, you've got McDonald's, and now you got the SWINGOBOT2000 by TASKI.